don't forget the highlights in your shadows. Because if you guys have ever taken like a magnifying glass and concentrated the light, same thing happens. That's what happened right here. This is the same effect. So it got a really bright highlight, but it happened to be very yellow. Now over here is really bright too, but it's more of like the color of the wood that it was sitting on. So this is a little bit less of like a yellow. If you pay attention to those details, then you can do that and kind of have it translate really well for you. But this has highlights just along that water's edge. And boop. If I were to take my mid-tone, because I didn't really get to touch the shadow much, which is okay. As far as like the rest of my painting, I would have kind of had that a little bit brighter to where it makes more sense and kind of feathers out that highlight a little bit more.